Have you ever wondered how the blueprint of life, our DNA, copies itself? This intricate dance of molecules, known as DNA replication, is no small feat. Our DNA, the fundamental building blocks of our very existence, is constantly duplicating itself. It's a process so precise, so essential, it's surprising how little we discuss it. Yet, it's this very process that allows life to continue, cells to divide, and us to be, well, us. So, are you ready? Let's unravel the mystery of DNA replication. DNA replication starts with the unzipping of the DNA double helix. Think of it as unzipping a jacket, but instead of fabric and teeth, we're working with molecules and bonds. This process exposes two single strands of DNA, each running in opposite directions. One strand, known as the leading strand, runs from the 3' to the 5' direction towards the replication fork. This strand gets replicated continuously, just as smoothly as you'd read a book from left to right. The other strand, called the lagging strand, runs from the 5' to the 3' direction, away from the replication fork. This one's a bit trickier. It's replicated in fragments, similar to how you'd solve a jigsaw puzzle piece by piece. But wait, there's more. Single-strand binding proteins, or SSB proteins, adhere to these exposed strands. Their job? To prevent the DNA from recoiling and to stabilize it, a bit like a safety pin holding together a loose button on a shirt. Next, an enzyme called DNA primase synthesizes a short stretch of RNA primer. This primer provides a free 3' hydroxyl group, a kind of launching pad, if you will, for DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase is the star of the show. It adds nucleotides and extends the new chain of nucleotides, effectively copying the DNA. It's like a diligent scribe meticulously transcribing an ancient manuscript, and just like that, a new DNA molecule is formed. Now, you might be wondering, why is this process so important? Well, let's dive into it. DNA replication is the cornerstone of life as we know it. It's the process that fuels our growth and development, allowing our cells to divide and our bodies to flourish. It's the unsung hero behind the healing of a scraped knee or the regeneration of skin cells. But it's not just about making new cells. It's also about preserving the very essence of who we are, stitch by stitch in the intricate tapestry of our DNA. Every time our cells divide, they carry forward our genetic blueprint, ensuring the continuity of life from generation to generation. Yet the process isn't flawless. Errors in this delicate operation can lead to mutations which could potentially cause diseases. That's why the accuracy of DNA replication is so crucial. So, DNA replication is not just about copying, it's about preserving and transferring life's blueprint from generation to generation.